Hello, I'm Chef Carol NYC, and today I will be discussing the different sweeteners that I've learned to use on my keto journey. I will explain to you why there are some that I use for baking, some that I use for beverages, and some that I just use for desserts, creamier types like cheesecake. So stick around and let's get to it. As I started my keto journey, I found that there were some sugars that I liked and some that I didn't. All plant-based sugars are not the same. These are the different types of sugars that I actually use. For instance, stevia in the raw is the sugar that I use for hot beverages. The golden sweetener is a substitute for raw cane sugar. The classic white is a white sugar substitute. Erythritol is one of the best sugars for keto. Because monk fruit is actually very sweet, erythritol is used to break down the monk fruit and reduce the sweetness. It has 0 carbs and 0 calories. Erythritol is the main ingredient in Swerve. I use Swerve brown sugar whenever my ingredients call for a brown sugar. That is my substitute. Monk fruit is a small fruit native to China, related to the squash family, generally used as a sugar substitute. It is very expensive to process, and most monk fruit sweeteners on the market will be broken down by other ingredients just to help reduce the cost. I have a strong preference for monk fruit when it comes to my cooking, my baking, and my beverages. Allulose is not counted toward the total amount of sugars or added sugars. The FDA considers it to be a rare sugar because it occurs naturally in small quantities in nature. It provides the same sweet taste and texture as table sugar, but the body doesn't metabolize it as energy. Best of all, it provides a negligible amount of calories and it does not impact blood glucose levels. 2 things that I avoid on the keto lifestyle are sugar and carbs. Actually, except for cauliflower, I make it a point to avoid eating any type of white food as just a general rule. There are many other sweeteners on the market. I've only shown you the ones that I choose to use as my keto lifestyle. You should try experimenting on your own, finding out which ones you like, which ones are preferable to your taste buds. And I've learned that as a baker, that there are sugars that crystallize even after they're in your baked goods, and I've chosen not to show those here. I hope you found this information helpful, and I really believe it will assist in your keto journey. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you found this information helpful, I hope that you will come back for my other videos. So give me a thumbs up. See you soon.